This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 25. This video series are specially designed for students of CSS and PMS who often feel difficulty for the preparation of MCQ's proportion of subjects, and other students who appear for any competitive exam regarding the subject of Pakistan Affair. They can also take benefit from this MCQ series. So in this video we will discuss 18 MCQs regarding Lahore Resolution 1942. Let's start. When Abdul Halim Sharar, Urdu novelist, suggested that India should be divided into two Hindu and Muslim states, options are 20th August 1890, 21st August 1890, 22nd August 1890, and 23rd August 1890. So fourth is the right option here, which is 23rd August 1890. Fourth is the correct answer here. Who coined the word Pakistan? Options are Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Khairi brothers, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Dr. Allama Iqbal. So the right answer here is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Third is the right answer here, which is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, who coined the Chaudhry Rahmat Ali coined the term Pakistan. The word Pakistan means land of Muslims, land of pious people, Islamic land, pure land. So the word Pakistan means pure land. Fourth is correct answer here, which is pure land. In 1940, where the annual session of Muslim League held? Options are Jinnah Park, Minto Park, Shalimar Bagh, Nasir Bagh. Second is the correct answer, which is Minto Park. In 1940, annual session of Muslim League was held at Minto Park. Minto Park later on came to be known as, options are Iqbal Park, Jinnah Park, Liaquat Park, Lawrence Park. So first is the correct answer, which is Iqbal Park. Minto Park later came to be known as Iqbal Park. Who presided over the annual session of Muslim League in 1940? Options are Fazlul Haq, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Khaliquz Zaman. So the right answer here is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Third is correct answer here. The annual session of Muslim League in 1940 was presided over by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Pakistan Resolution was moved on. Options are 22nd March 1940, 23rd March 1940, 24th March 1940, 25th March 1940. So the correct answer here is 23rd March 1940. Second is the correct answer here, which is 23rd March 1940. Who moved the Pakistan Resolution? Options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Liaquat Ali, Fazl Haq, Khairi brothers. So the Pakistan Resolution was moved by Fazl Haq. Third is the right answer, which is Fazl Haq. Who was Fazlul Haq? Options are Chief Minister of Assam, Chief Minister of Bengal, Chief Minister of Punjab, Chief Minister of Sindh. So second is the correct answer here, which is Chief Minister of Bengal. Fazlul Haq was Chief Minister of Bengal. Pakistan Resolution was supported by, options are Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Chaudhry Khaliquz Zaman and others, Liaquat Ali, Sir Aga Khan. So second is the correct answer here, which is Chaudhry Khaliquz Zaman and others. We are a nation according to any definition of nationhood. When this statement was made by Quaid-e-Azam? Options are 21st March 1940, 23rd March 1940, 25th March 1940, 27th March 1940. So second is the correct answer here, which is on 23rd March 1940. This statement that we are a nation according to any definition of nationhood was given by Quaid-e-Azam on 23rd March 1940. When the Pakistan Resolution was presented before the full House? Options are 20th March 1940, 21st March 1940, 22nd March 1940, 23rd March 1940. So fourth is the correct answer here, which is on 23rd March 1940. How many words were contained in Pakistan Resolution? Options are 100, 200, 300, 400. So 4 is the correct answer, which is 400. Pakistan Resolution strengthened. Options are Islam theory, unity theory, two-nation theory, Muslim theory. Third is the correct answer, which is two-nation theory. Pakistan Resolution strengthened two-nation theory. Gandhi called Pakistan Resolution a. Options are civil wrong, criminal wrong, moral wrong, absolute wrong. So third is the correct answer, which is moral wrong. Gandhi called the Pakistan Resolution a moral wrong. Mr. Jinnah's demand of partition is just like a quarrel between two brothers. Who said this? Options are Nehru, Gandhi, Raj Gopal Acharya, Dr. Ambedkar. So third is the correct answer, which is Raj Gopal Acharya. The statement that Mr. Jinnah's demand of partition is just like a quarrel between two brothers is stated by Raj Gopal Acharya. What is the importance of resolution of Pakistan? Options are: it showed Muslim to way of freedom from British tyranny and Hindu persecution. It delineated a clear goal for the Muslims. It reflected the innermost hopes of the Muslim. All of above. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of above. All of these points actually shows the importance of resolution of Pakistan or Pakistan resolution. Pakistan resolution was written in English. Who translated it into Urdu language? Options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Fazl al-Haq, none of them. Second is the correct answer, which is Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Maulana Zafar Ali Khan was the person who first translated the Pakistan resolution from English into Urdu. So these are 4 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here and solve these questions to know that how much you have memorized from these MCQs. See you in next video.